Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today I want to speak about personal case, about ending of the word and how you can speak at this case using adjectives and noun. So let's start from plural. Plural, you can see I put here like plural, masculine, feminine and neuter. Here it's endings will be, do you see this one? And here, but here at this column you can see endings of adjective, but at this one it will be ending of noun. So let's start from the plural. Plural adjectives in the plural ending at the ch and ich. It can be ich or ich. But after adjectives you can see noun, and our noun also will be changed. So, and the end of the noun will be end on ach or yach. For instance, here I want you to read my example. Мы, we are, we are. Говорим, it means talking, or about больших туфлях, about big shoes. It's weird example, but to you memorize them, because it's weird. So let's speak again. Let's say it. Мы говорим о больших туфлях. Okay, in English it will sound we are talking about big shoes. Okay, let's find the word like adjective will be big, but in English this word will not be changed, but in Russian adjective will be changing at the end. So will be их or их. And this example больших will be here changed, and you can see and will be их больших туфлях. So if you will find the noun туфли, it means shoes. If you are talking about these shoes in a prepositional case, you can see here it's the and will be changed. So туфлях. You see here and here их, ях. And here you can see их and ях. Больших туфлях. So, do you understand what I mean? Мы говорим о, we are talking about big shoes, больших туфлях. If we are talking about plural. Plural, it's shoes, туфлях. A lot of shoes we are talking about. So, okay, let's move on. Masculine. Masculine, what does it mean? Masculine, at the sentence, you will find the noun, and this noun will be masculine. For example, in my example, good. Okay, sometimes I can say that. Okay, in my example, you can see we can speak about bread. And my example, the bread lies on a big table. So big table will be changed. So big, adjective, and table, it's a noun. But noun, it's a masculine. So in Russian language, table, it's a masculine. So let's see what we will show at the end. Adjective will be changed at the end. You can see or yem. It will be ending on the word adjective. It means big. So, and another one, noun, it means table. Remember, it's masculine. Will be with the ye at the end or ee. Okay, let's translate this English sentence in Russian. Хлеб, the bread, хлеб, лежит, lies, on the, на. On the, it means на, just на. Большом, attention, big, столе, table. Большой, it means big. But if we are talking in a prepositional case, we are talking about something. So, о большом столе, about big table. О большом, at the end, because you can see here at the end. If it's an adjective in a masculine and prepositional case. Masculine, it means table masculine, right? And this adjective belong to this noun, to masculine. About table we are talking, okay? So it means table will be changed at the end and will be столе, okay? Stol, it means table, but if we are talking about table, in Russian we can say о столе. You see this yeah at the end. By the way, it's yeah, it's not e for English speakers. So, okay. Хлеб лежит на большом столе. Хлеб лежит на большом столе. So, the bread lies on a big table. Okay. Next one, feminine. Feminine in a prepositional case. So, feminine will be noun, but we will find adjective which belong to this noun. And adjective and noun, we should know that should be changed at the end. So, let's check examples, and I will show you the end at this feminine way. So, мы, it means we are, поедем, going to, на, it means in a, большой машине, big car. Again, большая машина, it means big car. But if we are talking in a prepositional case, and you should say about before your phrase, we are talking about this big car. We are thinking about this big car. when you can see about, it means it's prepositional case. If it's prepositional case, you should know that the end will be oi or yay as the adjective, but noun also should be changed, should be e, ye, and ee at the end. It depends on the noun. So I want to show you some example about big car, let's say. We are going in a big car. Мы поедем на, attention, большой машине. Большой машине. It means big car, but in a prepositional case. Большой, you see, большой машине. Машине. So, мы поедем на большой машине. Just, you should know that and ending should be changed in a two words, an adjective and noun. Okay. Next one, neither. So we have them in Russian language. It's like it in English. So interesting example for you to memorize it. Okay, my example is the fly sitting on the big apple. Apple, it's a neuter. It's something, it's not a feminine, masculine, it's it, right? It's neuter. So the fly, муха, fly, it's муха, муха. Сидит, муха сидит, the fly sits on the на, the big apple, большом яблоке. So the adjective большом, яблоке, it means apple, but яблоко, it means apple, яблоко, on the o at the end. If it's just a noun, but not in a prepositional case. But if you are talking about something, so we are talking about big apple or большом, you see here again changed, яблоке, here ye at the end, but can be ем, two different ends, can be an adjective if it's a neuter, and the noun can be ye or ii. So яблоке. Do you see? Okay. You should remember that prepositional case answer at the question о ком, about whom, or о чем, about what. So, and you should understand that your noun asked that question. It means this noun should be changed at the end. This is so important.